Hi, Naresh Bhaiya and Manju Bhabhi. Happy anniversary. So, this lockdown, I'm sure it's a very special anniversary because you're with your entire family, everybody is there, and both the Bahus are there. So, two daughters, two sons, both are there, and you're celebrating your anniversary, the lockdown anniversary. One thing I want to share, we've been talking almost every second day and we've been on our calls. This entire lockdown has made Naresh Bhaiya very homely. He's not been to office once also in spite of his office being open all the time. He's enjoying his time with everybody in the family. He's become a very homely man, unlike him, and you have to compliment him for that. I think, I will see a very different Naresh Pachesia in the coming months after lockdown, for the positive only, not for the negative. I think he is now missing is his chart boards, his PowerPoint presentations, and his, the lectures, his classes. He's not being able to do that on a virtual way, That's his favorite thing. So I'm sure, I hope you guys are not suffering because, this is the biggest issue with him, the entire forum has this problem with him because everything is PowerPoint, everything is perfect, everything is systematic, but sometimes, we really get irritated with him. But wishing you a very happy 30th anniversary, Manju Bhabhi. I understand you're making a lot of food for him and he's putting on some weight also. I realized it from the Zoom call, he's putting on some weights. So please ensure he doesn't put too much of weight.
Happy anniversary, Naresh and Manju. Really wishing you guys. Happy anniversary, Naresh and Manju. I'm sure you're making the most of these COVID times. And I know Manju Bhabhi is very calm, so if any situation, she would be handling it. And I just heard that Naresh hasn't been going to office and he must be really missing it. But I'm glad that you're getting to spend a lot of time with both the boys and the daughter-in-laws. So all the very best and have a lovely day.
Happy anniversary once again. Enjoy.
Happy anniversary, Bhaiya and Bhabhi.
Happy anniversary to the best couple, the loveliest couple we know. And we know for sure that this lockdown cannot change or lock this couple down.
Well, let your spirits continue to soar and you continue to fly. And we love you the way you are.
Hi Naresh and Manju. This is probably going to be a most unique anniversary and you will emerge as a much more strongly bonded family after this, as and when this ends. Have a great time, have a great anniversary and all the best for the future.
Happy anniversary.
रज़बी तुझे मालूम नहीं तू अभी तक है हंसे और मैं जवान तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान है मेरी ज़ोहर ज़बी तुझे मालूम नहीं तू अभी तक है हंसे और मैं जवान तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान
We are sure that from tomorrow Manju will also be making PowerPoint presentations for every meal and for every family trip. So we look forward to seeing your family presentations from this lockdown onwards.
Hi Manju and Naresh, a very happy anniversary to you all.
Hi Manju, hi Naresh. Listen, how you celebrate, just be aware there are lots of daughters-in-law and your children and everyone around, so don't do anything that we won't do.
And whatever you do, make sure it's all on WhatsApp. We want to see it tomorrow.
No. We don't want to see anything. Please keep it to yourself.
Aditya sent everything. It was looking lovely.
No chance.
You guys do the same.
We don't want to see what you're doing. Happy anniversary, guys.
Happy anniversary, Big Daddy.
I'm a bit worried about this lockdown. Manju तो ठीक है, शांति से manage कर लेगी. Mr. Pachesia, I know that you are doing so many Surya Namaskars to break the Guinness Book of World Records. थोड़ा सा calm down.
What are you talking? Naresh is working the entire day. His life is as usual. The only difference is he's not on his desk, he's on his bed or his...
One second, let me explain this very clearly. He does not have a presentation board. He does not have a presentation to make. मेरे को लगता है वो अपने अलमारी को खोलेगा, अपने सारे shirts को लाइन में लगाएगा और उसका presentation बना के अपने family को कल दिखाएगा. Because I'm just telling you, this is what he is going to do. And once this lockdown is over, Naresh Pachisia will be the Mr. Surya Namaskar, and I don't think we'll hear the end of it.
Oh, wow. I don't believe it, but Anamika knows you better.
जमीन वमीन तोड़ने के चक्कर में है, so just be careful. Mr. Naresh Pachisia, as your forum member for the last so many years, I know one thing. तुम forum के बिना पागल हो रहे हैं और ये forum I don't know what's going to happen once the lockdown opens. मेरे को लगता है तुम हम लोग के यहाँ रोज एक करके एक जन के घर में ही रहने वाले हो.
I'm quite surprised कि एक ही हम लोग का Zoom meeting हुआ है. I mean, how come Naresh has been able to stay away? I mean, he's the type who will say every day 8 p.m. Naresh Pachisia calls, इसलिए मोदी used to say.
अच्छा, by the way, आपका bucket list क्या हो रहा है? ये तो बताइए कि after the lockdown opens, how are you going to figure out your bucket list? Is it on hold? Is it increased? Is it filled up? What's going on? That's the one worry I have about Naresh.
Dear Naresh and Manju, in these unusual times, got an unusual request from your lovely children to say how this has changed or will change the way of life for you guys. I think this situation has definitely made Manju busier than she was and probably even more chock-a-blocked with her counseling sessions. And I see this as a lifestyle that is to stay. Also, I feel that the thought process is evolving or is moving more towards a simple and healthy living, which to my mind is a great thing. Love the time that both of you spend together, complementing each other with your common interests and with varied interests.
Wishing you both love, happiness, good health, luck and fulfillment always. Happy anniversary.
Hi Manju, hi Naresh. Wishing you both a very happy anniversary and many more to come. Hope you are enjoying a cuddly cozy anniversary in the quarantine.
Enjoy guys and best wishes again.
Hello Manju and Naresh. Wishing you both a very happy anniversary. Lots of love from Shruti and Alok.
Hi Manju and Naresh. Very happy anniversary.
Hi Naresh and Manju, wishing you a very happy anniversary. Have a lovely time. You guys are super couple.
Hi Manju, hi Naresh. A very happy anniversary to you guys. Have a great time. Enjoy each moment of the day with the family. You're really lucky to have them all around you and fussing and pampering you guys. Love you.
Hi Naresh, hi Manju. A very happy anniversary to you guys. You have been such good friends over the years and we've learned so much and enjoyed so much with you. All the holidays and all the retreats. Really enjoy your company. I wish both of you the very best always. But it's your anniversary, so I have to pull your leg, right? I read something very interesting today that once we recover from this COVID-19, we are going to experience a baby boom. Well, I hope you guys are trying, but please do not contribute to the boom. Love always.